Hannig skipper wil de nichtbal kosje Edinburgh Caledonia guvi, lis gron gulik na chluicheadairean Eden Sport scholaatje. If fast voor jede koikner gachtuv, gu skipper farpasho kerst.
Essentially we just started as a fives team and it was just kind of a group of people that were keen to get back into football, just playing for fun, and eventually from there it kind of all evolved into what's Edinburgh Caledonia today. For me personally it was quite interesting because I had just moved here and I was looking for a football team, and we quickly got a group together, really nice people, we instantly clicked as a team, and really good from the beginning.
Sammy, our club captain, she had a team, and I played with another team, and there was a group of us, and she one day just said that she was looking to enter us into a women's league, and were we interested in joining up, and so her team of about 7 joined our team of about 7, and Callie was born. We played a couple of seasons for the Football Club of Edinburgh. They had a men's team, and we joined with the intention of being their women's side, and after a couple of years we decided that we'd be better just running our own team. So we decided on the name, we designed the badge, picked our colours, and off we went.
Haar kaartjes agus jou adaka gemiska club. Ruta gana hana taich gus bara chluicheadairean English and skipper.
I used to be a hockey player all through my junior years, played through national and district level, always wanted to play football, and then took a step back away from hockey a couple of years ago, and one of my work colleagues said, you should join our team, it's a really inclusive team, so I just took the jump and thought I'm going to go back to football. The girls are brilliant, we're such a tight-knit squad, we bring in new players every season, so always felt part of the team as soon as I got here, which was brilliant, so really enjoy it.
There's always been a real sort of family feeling about Callie because we started ourselves, we're not affiliated with anyone else. The people here are the people that run it, we're the secretary, I'm the treasurer, like we're a self-contained team, and so there's a real family sort of feel about Callie.
It's such a huge part of my life, really. It's a great club, we all get on so well, and we've been together for a long time, but we've always managed to maintain the culture, and it's just great. We get on really well on and off the pitch. When we'd go on nights out, go on trips together, so it's a really strong community.
Maar imata chlabela, who COVID-19 boy in Edinburgh Caledonia, agus tron glasig who can chluicheadairean taich the cacha.
Everything just stopped overnight. We had just started our season. Again, a couple of games in, but weather had stopped some, and then suddenly nothing. And it's weird coming to training tonight because it's the first time we've been back in a long time, and even just we're excited to see the girls again. We tried to communicate. People are checking up on each other. We did a bit of a relay run in November where we ran to each other's houses and covered like 100 kilometers or something. So, but not training. We're here to play football. That's what we want to do. We want to get the season going.
We used to train twice a week, play on the Sundays. And obviously we can't do that anymore. It's had a massive impact on just our ability to develop further as a team as well, playing as a group. I think we managed to play and train during the summer for a small period of time, and you could see that it was all a bit slower, the passes weren't as accurate, so it's been a challenge for the team, I think, to maintain the fitness levels as well, but hopefully we can get back to previous levels soon.
It's been pretty gutting because we've not been able to train. We've been really good as a team and actually kept together on the group chat, and whenever there's been football on the telly we've been talking about it, and we've also done like a relay race around Edinburgh from all our homes. We did it as a memorial for one of our managers' work colleagues, so that was really good as well because we actually got to see the girls at a distance and do a bit of a relay each and pass on the baton of the Calais flag, so that's been a positive for us, but it's been difficult, but it's just great to be back.
As Joey and Neich van SWF got on Championship South i de chluicheadairean gu a Joey Blanúr, and skipper haast de feef gus feadhainn i de farc.
Oh, we were devastated. Obviously, seeing other clubs and the men's side playing a lot more, we were just gutted and just wanted to get back playing. And it just wasn't what we were looking for in such a difficult time, and we thought this was going to be our chance, we'll get back to it. But it's just one of those things, like, we've just got to take in our stride and we'll come back stronger when we are allowed to play, which is the main thing.
I understand it, and I don't think we should be stop-starting like we have been. I think it'd be a really clear decision of we're not going to do anything until January or whenever, and then a really clear idea of how we're going to go forward, because the stop-starting doesn't do us any favours. It's expensive, so we pay for training and then nothing. Then we don't train for weeks. So as a club that are self-funded, the money's a concern. So I'm not happy about it, but I hope that means that come January we've got a plan forward, and then we can get on with the season and see how we do.
Not happy. We want to get back to playing, and obviously we understand this. We need to adhere to the regulations and guidelines and everything, but we just want to play and keen to just get back to it, whatever it takes.
The Janjan na doeling a goed COVID in Jacob Beelwe club. Han kaartjes en skippen later, so roya the
People have got each other's backs, and I think that's what really comes across. And I think when people come to the club, they find that they see that. They can see that people are friends. Some of the girls got married in the last couple of years. We were all there. Like, it's just a real sort of community.
The fact that we've been together for such a long time, I mean, you always have new players joining, some people leaving, but we've always managed to maintain that culture, and it's really a case of, everyone supporting each other. And I think, we want to win and we want to compete, but it's not just that. Everyone, is keen to have that team spirit, and it's really about supporting each other and that sense of community and team spirit.
I felt part of the team as soon as I walked in the door. The socials as well, off the pitch. Like I've said earlier, we're a really tight-knit team. We're always on the group chat talking to each other. Socials like we were saying during lockdown. It's a special place to be, and I'm delighted that it's the club I came to after not playing football for so long. I just think it's brilliant. It's a really great team.